Hey guys, welcome back to the Aussie Buckets main distribution centre here in Melbourne, Truganina. My name's Aiden and today we're going to be checking out the AB Grader Blade. Now these blades are packed with a bunch of features and are backed by a 5-year warranty. Let's check it out. All right, so to kick off the walk around, we're gonna have a chat about the blade itself. So up top here, we've got one nice rolled piece of steel with the bolt-on edge on the front. Now this bolt-on edge is reversible, meaning you get two lives out of it. One on the front, once that wears out, unbolt it, spin it around and get a secondary life on the other side. What's awesome about a bolt-on edge is you can maintain that nice straight edge when you are grading throughout the entire lifetime of the attachment, making sure that all your grading work is consistent and smooth. Now moving along, you'll see these two adjustable hooks that we have on the grader blade. They're designed to either go on the end of a bucket or on the end of your excavator's blade to make it easier to cart around site, and they're bolted on so that they're adjustable so you can have different sizes depending on your excavator model. Now up top, we utilize a low profile head bracket, meaning that this pin distance to the edge of the blade is really tight. That for one thing increases your breakout force massively, as well as it gives you a lot more fine control to make sure that you're getting really accurate tolerances in your grade. All right, the last thing we're gonna have a look at is the tie down points on the grader blade. So on either side, you've got the tie down points on the sides here, as well as we'll show you some footage. There's some tie down points on the back, just making it easier to transport site to site and put on a truck. All right guys, that wraps up the walk around today of the Aussie Buckets Grader Blade. If you work in landscaping, civil, earth moving, construction, or have any need to be able to grade with an excavator, this could be an awesome next attachment on your machine. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out 0399178598 or head to aussiebuckets.com.au to chat to one of our specialists today.